Welcome. Before we begin, I will invite you to take a seat or lie down in the favorite spot you have in this room. Also, make sure you adjust the volume of your headphones at a desirable level. And as you listen to my voice, allow your body to relax. Close your eyes. And as you relax some more, have you ever been on a beautiful ocean-going, sailing vessel with the sting of a salty spray on your face? I want you to imagine, to picture in your mind's eye, or to just pretend that you're on a beautiful, large sailboat. The hull is knifing through a surging breaker. You hear the gulls and the creaking of the wooden mast. Right under a full load of canvas, the clatter of the rigging, the squeak of the boom, all the sounds of the ocean and the sailboat, and you feel yourself lulled asleep on a beautiful sailing vessel. You listen to the creak of the wooden mast. It is so relaxing, so peaceful. The wind in your face, the salt spray from the ocean, and you are lulled to sleep. You can use this image at night. At night when you go to sleep, the noises that surround you can fit into this image. Some of the noises of the house, some of the noises from other people can fit into this beautiful image as you're on this large, old rigging sloop, so peaceful and tranquil, a quality ship on the high seas. And you can let this ship take you wherever you want to go, whether this is a pleasure trip on a Sunday afternoon to Cape Cod, or the Bahamas, or yachting on the Riviera. Just close your eyes and allow yourself to be there in your mind's eye. The sounds of the ocean, the creaking of the mast, the sounds and sensation of a voyage. Hear the clatter of the rigging. Hear the cries of the distant gulls. All the tension leaves your mind as the boat gently rocks you to sleep, floating, drifting, dreaming. So relaxed, so peaceful, just sailing away, sailing away. See the sun getting lower and lower on the horizon as the gentle rocking motion of the sailboat lulls you to sleep. Peaceful and tranquil, the creaking of the mast, so peaceful, so comforting. The buoys in the distance, the clanging of the bells on the buoys. As you continue your voyage, hear the bells, feel the rocking motion, feel, hear, and experience this pleasant voyage as you rest. Really rest. And you can get back on board anytime you want. See what you're seeing now. Feel what you're feeling now. As the sounds fade and you drift, peaceful and tranquil, always allowing yourself time to rest on your voyage of life, on the sea of life, the reassuring sounds of Mother Ocean that people have listened to since the beginning of time. Solid wood under your feet and a tall mast, swaying in the wind as you drift and float and dream, allowing the vessel to take you wherever you want to go as you continue to float and drift and dream. Float and drift and dream. Float and drift